What safety precautions should you take when handling hazardous materials? When it comes to handling hazardous materials, safety is not just a suggestion, it is a necessity. So, what safety precautions should you take? First, always wear the right personal protective equipment. This includes gloves, eye protection, respirators, and protective clothing. Make sure to inspect your equipment before each use. If anything is damaged or worn, replace it immediately. Next, proper labeling and identification are key. Every hazardous material should be clearly labeled with its chemical name, hazard classification, and handling instructions. This helps prevent accidental misuse and keeps everyone informed about the risks involved. Storage is another important aspect. Always store hazardous materials in designated areas that are cool, dry, and well ventilated. Keep these areas secure from unauthorized access. Make sure to separate incompatible substances to avoid dangerous reactions. Containers should be leak-proof and kept closed when not in use. Heavy containers should be stored on lower shelves to prevent spills. When using hazardous materials, follow the usage guidelines closely. Always read and understand the safety data sheets for each chemical. These sheets provide essential information on handling procedures, potential health effects, and emergency measures for spills or exposure. Keeping your work area clean is also vital. Regularly clean surfaces and keep workspaces free from clutter. Avoid eating, drinking, or smoking in areas where hazardous materials are handled to prevent any accidental ingestion or inhalation of toxic substances. Training and communication are essential for safety. Workers must receive thorough training on how to handle hazardous materials. This includes recognizing hazards, using personal protective equipment correctly, and knowing how to respond in emergencies. Clear communication about safety protocols can significantly reduce mistakes. In case of spills or leaks, report any damaged containers immediately. Have spill containment and cleanup materials readily available. Quick and safe responses are necessary to contain hazards and prevent exposure or environmental contamination. When moving hazardous materials mechanically, ensure that your equipment is rated for the load. Use strong blocking materials to support loads securely and avoid accidents. In high-risk professions like logging, deep-sea fishing, and storm chasing, these precautions become even more critical. Workers in these fields often face unpredictable environments. For example, storm chasers handling fuel or chemicals must be especially vigilant about storage and spill response, especially in rapidly changing weather conditions. Loggers using chemical treatments or fuels must ensure they are using personal protective equipment and storing materials properly in rugged outdoor settings. Deep-sea fishers dealing with fuel and maintenance chemicals need to maintain clean, well-ventilated storage to prevent accidents on unstable vessels. By following these safety steps, workers can significantly reduce the risk of injury and environmental harm when handling hazardous materials.